At the very beginning.
Yeah.
Proceed.
I was one of the most successful psychos in all of Hollywood.
100,000
years ago, I started work at Warner Brothers. Warner Brothers. Home to some of the biggest stars in Hollywood.
Good morning,
Ventura.
Yes, Satan?
morning, Porky.
All right.
Hello.
And when the stars had a problem, they came to me. So, tell me more about this.
Well, I'm President of the United States.
I had just completed a delightfully intense session with Chuck Norris.
What do you want?
I hardly even know you. What do you want?
We asked you first.
Well, I want... No, you didn't.
What do you want?
Do you know who I am?
The Warner Brothers.
Correct.
I won! What did I win?
Nothing.
Say, what kind of game show is this?
This isn't a game show.
Well, say it isn't. You'll be lucky to be on the air for 1 week.
Warner Brothers are wreaking havoc throughout the studio, Scratch and Sniff, and I'm home.
In order
For a studio to run efficiently, there must be order, calmness, control. The Warner Brothers have taken the calmness and
replaced it with chaos. Replaced it with chaos.
You lose.
Yeah, good. Now, plant yourselves on the couch there. I said no more jokes. Yeah, the monkey stuff. You know, you walks around like a silly monkey. And you be all goofy like a monkey. That is the monkey stuff.
Maybe you should say a piece.
I am a beast. I mean a psychiatrist. I know what you kids want, yeah.
Are you sure you don't want to see a piece of...
I mean psychiatrist. Yeah.
Mr. Puppethead's hungry.
What do you say to this?
I'd say you're a very good artist.
I didn't draw that. Would you care to expand on that?
Okay.
Get out!
Leave.
Those kids is driving me crazy!
Insane, unhinged, demented. You are suffering from acute Warneritis. Something I said?